Hi. Hi, Liliana. Hi, Liliana. How are you? Oh. Russell found his ball. Hi. Hi. You just been locked under the couch all this time? Yeah. Liliana Sophia. Liliana Sophia. Oh. You are our special girl. You're so very special. Liliana. Oh, Liliana. Can you say hello? Hello. Oh. Hello. Hello, pretty Polly. Oh, Russell's crashing around. Russell's crashing. Oh, I love you too. Oh, do you hear your pup? Do you hear that pup? Will you send the video to Daddy? Yeah. Oh dear. Oh dear. Are you wiggly today? Are you wiggly, my little frog? Are you my little froggy? Yeah. Tootie toot tootie. Hello, wiggle giggle. Hi-ho. Tea-ta-ta. Liliana. Hi. Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. Oh, oh. Liliana. Liliana. Oh, look, we have a little snowman for you. A little snowman. Oh. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Hello, Liliana. Oh. Shall we try the other side? Yeah. Let's try the other side. Okay, Liliana, ready? Here's Mr. Snowman. Here's Mr. Snowman. Oh, there he is. You found him. Nom, nom, nom. Boop, boop, boop. You're so smart. You're so smart. Uh-huh. There he is. There he is. Ah. That was in your stocking from Santa. Yes. Oh, Russell's doing his very best to get my attention, so maybe I'll play ball with him. He's very bored and lonely. Oh! Oh dear. Haha. Hello, Sophia. Hello. Let me see those toes. There's my toes, she says. They're kind of cold today. It's cold here in Fredericton. It's very cold. Yep. So we're snuggling up inside. Russell's brought me the ball. Yes. You have a very big doggy, don't you? Yes. Okay, let's go see Russ. Oh-ho. Tea-ta-ta. Say, Russell. Come here, Russell. Oh, there goes his paw. There goes his paw. Toot-toot. Ah, toot-toot. Arrgh. Yeah. Are you my girl? Are you my little baby girl? Liliana. Liliana Sophia. Liliana Sophia. Oh, look at our Russ. He says, let me show you this ball that I found. Won't you throw it for me? Okay, Russ, where's your ball? Where's your ball? Where's your ball? He says, look at me, look what I can do. He's so jealous of our new babe. What a good boy you are, Russ. What a good boy. He stays right by us all day long, doesn't he, little baby? Doesn't he, little baby girl? Oh, my baby girl. Okay, you gonna blow a kiss? Blow a kiss? I love you, baby girl. Tee-tee. Tee-tee. Maybe we'll call Daddy on the phone. Hey? I love you. I love you. Yeah. Oh, oh. I got the ball. Ooh, did you hear that? Did you hear that? Oh, yeah, that's a Russell. That's your puppy. Yeah. You like puppy dogs? Do you like puppy dogs? I love you, Liliana. You keep being so cute, I don't want to turn off the video. Yeah. Tee-tee. I love you, Tee-tee.